Hello everyone and welcome. Today we're diving into something truly life-changing, the incredible power of the mind-body connection. It's not just a wellness trend, it's a revolutionary approach that can dramatically enhance every aspect of your life. So stay tuned as we unlock the secrets of your mind and body working in harmony. Imagine if I told you that your thoughts could influence your physical health, or that your body could shape your mental state. It sounds like something out of a sci-fi movie, but it's real science. From the neurons in your brain to the nerves in your toes, every part of you is interconnected in fascinating ways that impact your overall health. Now, when you feel stressed out, it's not just in your head. Your body reacts by releasing cortisol, gearing you up to either fight back or run away. So useful for short periods, yes, but if it's prolonged, it could lead to serious health issues like heart disease or diabetes. Now, this is just one example of how closely your emotions and physical health are tied. Now, experts like Joe Dispenza, Louise Hay, Deepak Chopra and Nazim Haramein have shed light on this connection. So Dr. Joe Dispenza shows us how to rewire our brain for health, while Louise Hay teaches the healing power of positive thinking and affirmations. Deepak Chopra dives into quantum healing. Timeless Body, Timeless Mind is a great book. And Nazim Haramein blows your mind away with this universal interconnectedness. So how do we apply this knowledge? First of all, we start with mindfulness, being present, tuning into our body and mind with practices like yoga or meditation. And don't forget about the food you eat. It's not just fuel, it can be your medicine. It affects both your mood and your health. Now, all of these things are actually way more important than I'm able to touch on today, but I just want to set the scene so that we, in the future, can dive really deep into it. So it's really important adopting a holistic approach that will allow you to look beyond your symptoms and address the root causes of our issues, be they physical, emotional, or even spiritual. It's about more than just feeling good. It's about truly understanding and optimizing your own body's mechanisms for health and for happiness. Our body really is there to take care of us. So are you ready to transform and heal your life? Then start today by subscribing to our channel for more insightful content that will empower you every step of the way. Like this video, share with your friends. Let's spread the word that health is holistic. Now drop a comment below with any thoughts that you've got or experiences that you had with the mind and body connection. I'm going to be sharing a lot more content over the next few days and weeks and months. So thank you very much for watching. Remember, embracing the mind-body connection isn't just a path for better health, it's a journey towards a fuller, more connected life. Take care, stay curious, and as always, be kind to yourself along the way. See you soon.